Back in the day, products were mainly manufactured by hand. Gradually, we created machines to make our work easier. And little by little, industrial production evolved from small workshops to huge production sites. But producing such volume in a large space comes with its own set of difficulties. How do you know where your tools, machines, and containers are in real time? How do you react to bottlenecks? How do you manage task reorganization? You need answers to all these questions. Zozio offers you a smart tracking solution based on real-time geolocation of your assets, in the field or outside your production site. Geolocation data is sent to our software, which feeds on your information to offer you rapid solutions to avoid interruptions. An issue is occurring in your production processes, like a delivery delay? Reschedule your production in real time, and make sure to keep high-level expectations in your on-time delivery performances. Our platform is fully configurable, with a set of widgets for easy creation and consultation of your KPIs, and improved collaboration. Worried it's going to take too long to set up? Don't panic. Lean on our experts for a quick and cost-effective field intervention at your site. Join our top-tier industrial-leading company customers into the 4.0 era. Request a free demo session today on Zozio.tech.